Oke, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Oke, Bismillah. Salatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah wa ala alihi wa ashabihi ajma'in. Hello everyone, gentlemen. Today I want to presentation about my project in English. It's about IT presentation. And now I want to bring the material about color grading. Why? Because I'm the one who will be the cinematographer and the photographer, so I will share this material to you. Okay, first I want to tell about myself. Okay, my name is Arkan Faiza Hidayat. I'm from the 8th grade in SMP and boarding school, and now I'm the newbie UI UX designer who create a clean, modern, and user-friendly digital interface. And now I want to focus in the visual design and want to learn about user experience. Okay, now I want to tell you what is color grading. Color grading is the process to adjusting color in the photos or video to create a specific mood or visual style. The easy one is the color grading is one what material can you use to make a photo video goodly than before. Example, you take some photo or video and the photo is result bad, so you can use this color grading to make the photo or video better. Okay, now I want to bring the 10th version of color grading, but in outside there is so many example of that, but now I just want to bring the 10th one. Okay, this an example is the most used in the color grading film and cinema. Okay, the first in horror. Horror, yeah, you know lah, this already used in so many platform and cinematic video. Yeah, in Indonesia there is used to, there is in horror film like in what Pengabdi Setan or Kereta Berhantu. There is this color gradient. Because why this color gradient horror is make the around is more sharp and more darkness, so you look it and there is some aura to make your body is the scared one. And the second is XD. XD is the color grading to make the background or around it to life and happy for me. Now, the third is crime. Crime is not just part of horror, but is the one used in the horror movie. This because make the color dark and make the blue one is more sharp. And the fourth is the fantasy. Fantasy, yeah, you know, like fantasy used in like the film who bring the fantasy movie or movement, so the audience look is more like helpfully and make the brains is more calm. Now, the five is about thriller. Thriller is not just far to horror, but it's just make the darkness more minus, because it's the point is make the blue sky is more sharp than the horror. And then the suspense. Suspense is like the color grading to make the video or photo, like if you want to take the sunrise or sunset, suspense is good color grading to make the sun is look and the color is sharp. Nah, the seven is action. Action is the one of color grading. I like it because what? Because every visual I look with the action one is make my brain is helpfully, and the life is natural. So if you like the record of the market with the action color grading, that make the visual is more live. So that's like a natural talks of the film or a photo. The eighth is crime. This is the second crime. This crime is make your photo is more darker than the first, and this photo, this color grading is make the sky is more white than the before. Nah, the nine is romance. Romance is make your video or photo more betterly, especially in romance movie. Yeah, because this make the video more cinematic or aesthetic for make the audience looks at your movie. Nah, the last is drama. Drama, yeah, as you know, if you see the drakor or drakin with the background blue sky or the evening time. Nah, this drama color grading make the video more calmly, so you can see or watch the movie more helpfully. Now I want to tell you the 4 platform you can use it for the color grading. The first is DaVinci Resolve. DaVinci Resolve is the most advanced and professional platform you can use for the color grading. For in Indonesia, there is so many people use it because this make your film more cinematic and aesthetic, so audience can see with the good visual, and you don't need to hard to color the color grading. The second is Adobe Premiere. Adobe Premiere, before there is the Adobe Premiere no Pro, but the Adobe Premiere Pro is make your editing or color is all in one, so you can make it easy without hesitation or problem. Yeah, because if there just Adobe Premiere, there is like the Pro, so make it you hard to color grading to make the good photo or video. Nah, the third is Final Cut Pro. Final Cut Pro is not far from DaVinci Resolve. It's just fast and smooth one, but this one is MacBook only, so you can not easy to use it because this just for MacBook. And the last is CapCut. Why CapCut? Because CapCut is there is AI auto color, so you don't need to hard to color to grading the color from the blue, red, yellow, or the skin or the what. There's AI auto color, so you can easily choose make your video or photo good one. So it's easy and quick content. And the main point of my presentation is about color grading is help you to control mood and make your design look more attractive, consistent, and professional. So if you want to be the cinematographer or photographer, I recommend you to learn this point. Yeah, and I think that's all from me. Thank you very much about my thank you very much to see, and I'm sorry if I have some mistake about my presentation. In the last I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.